You can niche out to express yourself or obey the laws of the algorithm by niching the algorithm. Hello guys, welcome back. So in my last video, I referred to 3 YouTubers and how they sorted out the issues of niching their content. 2 of them created separate channels for other niches they were passionate about, but one switched niches on our only channel, and that single act was costly. Most experienced content creators will always advise you to niche down. However, not all niching down is niching down. So in this video, I'm going to shed more light on what niching down is all about, the benefits, the disadvantages, how the algorithm responds to it, and what you can do about it. If you have heard the phrase niche down or niching down and you don't understand what it means, in a layman's terms, it means making content on a specific, well-defined topic and not necessarily being everything to everyone or being different things at different times. For example, when you make videos on your channel that focus on business travels and you make videos only on this topic, that is niching down. But when you make videos on vlogging today, next you make videos on fitness, then another time you make videos on parenting, and you keep on switching randomly, that is inconsistency, and you can term that as niching out because all these topics are not related. Making videos on a specific niche has advantages over making videos on general topics. Due to the low level of competition in niche specific content, gaining influence and building a loyal following is easier. When you focus on a specific niche on your channel, your videos will meet the needs of a particular set of people who are interested in the topics you talk on your videos, and this will lead to a high level of engagement on your videos and also will attract other viewers who are interested in these topics, and this will also help you build a loyal community of people who will be willing to watch and share your videos. Another advantage of niching down is that it will make your personal brand become known for what you do and also make you stand out from your competition and, making you different from other content creators. So dedicating your content to a particular niche will also make it easier for prominent brands to see your commitment and engage you in their marketing strategies, which will lead to more monetization of your content. Now to the disadvantages of niching down. When you niche down your content, YouTube will limit your potential reach or growth to only those interested in your niche. So when you focus on a specific niche, you are somehow, narrowing down the number of people YouTube will recommend your videos to only those interested in your topics. And attracting new viewers outside your niche will be difficult, and this can also affect your channel's growth. Another disadvantage of niching down is that it can become very, very challenging to come up with new ideas after making many videos on a particular topic. You can find yourself running out of ideas of things to say or videos to make, and this can lead to your videos being repetitive and unoriginal. Niching down can also make it difficult for you to collaborate with other content creators on the platform, especially if your niche is relatively small. Like finding other YouTubers that make similar content may be difficult. For example, if you are making content on skincare for men in this part of the world, finding other content creators making similar content that you can collaborate with will be difficult. This can limit your opportunities to network and cross-promote your channel. So if you want to flow with your freedom or express all your God-given talents by sharing them on your channel on different topics, then you can niche out. But if you want to be in the good books of the algorithm, you must niche down. So as a content creator, you can niche out to express yourself or obey the laws of the algorithm by niching down. So when you niche down, you'll be rewarded handsomely by the algorithm because the algorithm favors those content creators who are predictable. Yes, when your contents are predictable, you'll be favored by the algorithm because the algorithm will now know that you are making videos on this particular topic, and it will look for people who are interested in this particular topic and then recommend your videos to them. Overall, the decision of whether to niche out or to niche down is a personal one. There are both advantages and disadvantages. And if you are really serious in growing on YouTube, you need to consider and weigh the pros and cons before you make your decisions. For me, I prefer niching around. For example, when I started this channel, I was focused on creating content on topics related to how to use tech for productivity, web development, and how to earn on the internet. So along the line, the algorithm recommended more of my videos that are on how to earn on the internet to people who are searching for it. When I noticed this on the algorithm, so I have to flow with the algorithm's choice. So with this situation, I can niche around by creating content not only on AdSense, which is a means of earning on the internet, but also on other related topics to AdSense like YouTube growth, Google Ads, web development, entrepreneurship, because audience who are interested in AdSense will find these topics also useful. Imagine that I'm making videos on only AdSense from the onset of this channel. I would have been burned out by now. So it's better for you to niche around instead of niching out. So niching out means like if I do make videos on sports, entertainment, gaming, parenting, lifestyle, and all those stuffs on this channel, definitely all those content, when I put all of them together on this channel, it will be hurting my channel. It might affect the growth. But when you niche around, it means like at intervals, you can make content on other topics that are related to the main topic of your channel. So when you do this type of content at intervals, that's topics that are related to the main topic of your channel, that will also make you energized instead of burning out at some point. I hope you get the point. So when you niche around, definitely you will have some inactive subscribers on your channel. But a better way to counter this is by getting good titles, catchy thumbnails, and engaging content. With these strategies, you can make your inactive subscribers to come alive. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so by hitting the white subscribe button. And I would also like to know if you will prefer niching out or niching around. Let's discuss more in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.